Today, we will listen to a short English composition called My Bathroom. My bathroom is not very large, but it is clean, bright, and very practical. It is an important room in our home because we use it every day for hygiene and personal care. Even though it is not the biggest room in the house, it has everything we need. When you enter the bathroom, you can see the sink and the mirror right in front of you. I use the sink to wash my hands and brush my teeth every morning and evening. Above the sink, there is a mirror where I comb my hair and make sure I look tidy before going to school. Next to the sink, there is soap and a small towel. On one side of the bathroom, there is a shower cabin. I usually take a shower in the evening after school or after playing outside. The shower helps me feel fresh and relaxed. There are shelves with shampoo, shower gel, and other hygiene products that we use every day. There is also a toilet and a small cabinet where we keep cleaning supplies and extra toilet paper. Everything is organized so that the bathroom stays neat and comfortable. In the corner, there is a washing machine. My parents use it to wash our clothes, and I sometimes help them put the laundry inside. Even though it is just a machine, it plays an important role in keeping our clothes clean. Even if my bathroom is simple and not luxurious, I truly appreciate it because it helps us stay clean and healthy. In my opinion, it is a very important space in every home, even if people do not always think about it.